Now, tell me one thing. What is this fuss about Dogecoin?
Wow, Dogecoin is, I think they're founded by Billy and Jackson, back in the earlier days. It is like a meme. Some say is a joke, but right now the joke has become something mainstream. It's a top 10 coin. You know, um, it is a payment system on its own. In the States as well, you can see ATM that you can withdraw Dogecoin, or convert your money to Dogecoin or convert to fiat. So I do see that Dogecoin has gone mainstream. But if you ask me what's a Dogecoin, I think Dogecoin is just one of the many cryptocurrency that is in the space.
Mm.
Dogecoin, maybe earlier purpose is to be a part of a payment system that is almost free. So I think so far, I think it is on the right track. It is on the right track. And to be honest, although it's founded by Billy and Jackson back then, based on my understanding, they do not hold much Dogecoin. There's no core CEO per se officially, apart from Elon Musk, being the CEO. Other than that, there's no such thing. And the recent price increase in Dogecoin also came in as a slight surprise for many. It has been driven by a lot by these retail investors, driven by Reddit groups, Wall Street bets, and so forth. I think is it sustainable? Maybe that could be a slightly different scenario. I think as of now, looking at the price, it is still okay. But is the price of the Dogecoin overly priced as of now? I think it is a bit high, But as
Mm.
long as like I always tell my friends, even bankers or even billionaires and so forth, as long as there's a demand for it, there's a supply there, someone is willing to pay this amount, well, I think it's okay, right? So
Mm.
that's how I see Dogecoin.
Okay. Now, is it worth investing? I mean, is it something which investors should look at it right now, or avoid the crowd?
Well, I think that throughout the last 3-4 months, there are a lot of new retail investors who went in for Dogecoin. That's 100% for sure. Yeah. Is it a good time? It depends on the investors' risk appetite, right?
Mm.
Some investors, they just buy and then they try to hold it for 10 years. Okay, if you are looking at 10 years time frame, you buy at today's price. Okay, probably you might get a good return. If you are just going to buy it for a short period of time, just 1-2 months, then the kind of returns will also differ. If you are buying it as an investor to trade, buy and sell per se, or then it is also a different kind of mindset behind it, right? So all depends on your risk appetite, your investment appetite, and also how you see the coin in longer term. So for myself, for example, I felt that the price is slightly high. So what I tell my team is that let's not hold onto the coin. Let's do some trading, right? Of course, when you do trading, high leverages, for example, there's always a tendency that you might lose, right? So that is the kind of thinking that we have, because we felt that when we are unsure, we just trade. We can make from the volatile market, a good margin, from that. So I still think that should be the way, for people like us, for those who have really extra money to hold on to it for years and so forth. Their mindset is very different, because they felt that it will become a $4 million asset, or maybe they are thinking that a Dogecoin now is 20 cents, it can become a $5 asset and so forth. So it's a very different mentality. So I think exercise with caution. Um, Always remember there's still a high risk behind all these crypto assets.